Hello guys, how are you doing? Okay, let's go on our unit titled In the Kitchen, Unit 9, Lessons 3 and 4. Today we have lessons 3 and 4. Okay, we talked about any and how to use any in a question sentence. Okay, the first example. Is there any salt? We talked about any and we used any in a question sentence. Okay, we use any in negative sentence and the question sentence. Today we are talking about how to ask with is there or are there. The first example, is there any salt? Is there any salt? Okay, we have two options. We can answer using yes or no. Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Is there any salt? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Question number two. Are there any pickles? We used here are because pickles here is a plural. Are there any pickles? Yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Okay, so we use any in a question sentence or negative sentence. Are there any pickles? Yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Okay, let's move to phonics time. We have bread, BR, we pronounce it as bread, bread, bread. Okay, grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. Okay, present, present. So bread, 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 grandmother, grandmother, present, present, brown, brown, green, green, and prize, prize. For the last time, let's read these words again. Bread, grandmother, present, brown, green, and prize. Okay, read the sentences. Sentence number one. The bride and her brother bake brown bread. The bride and her brother bake brown bread. Bride, brother, brown bread. Number two. Prue got a prize for her pretty Prue. Prue got a prize for her pretty Prue. Prize, prize for her pretty Prue. Number three, grandmother grows big green grapes. Grandmother grows big green grapes. Grandmother grows green grapes. Okay, let's do some exercise on lessons 3 and 4. The first question. Choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. Number 1. Space there any salt? Is or can? Okay, first look at salt. Salt, something you can't count, so it's uncountable amount. So we have to use, yes, excellent, is. Is there any salt? Okay, so the first one, is there any salt? Number 2, don't drop letter. Use the space. Pencil, pen, pen. Okay, don't drop letter. Use the, take your time. Excellent. Use the bin. B-I-N. Okay, it means basket. Okay, letter bin. Use the bin. Don't drop letter, use the bin. Number 3, space, forget your change. Doesn't, do, don't. Okay, Space, forget your change. Take your time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, don't forget your change. Don't forget to do something. Use don't. Okay, to warn, use don't to warn someone not to do something. Number 4, he doesn't space any soap. Is, have, and has. Okay, doesn't. You remember after don't or doesn't we have infinitive or white verb? And the white verb here, yes, have. He doesn't have any soul because it's negative form or negative sentence. We use doesn't have. I don't have. He doesn't have. Okay, number 5. I don't have space perfume. Some, to, any. Again, I don't have space perfume. Some, to, any. Look at the negative sentence don't have. Here we have don't have. And we use any with negative sentence or question. So I have to use any. I don't have any perfume. Number 5 again, I don't have any perfume. Number 6, space much is the shirt. It's 65 Lee. Okay, whose, where, and how. Space much is the shirt. He gives me the price here, the price of the shirt. So I'm asking about the price and I have to use how. How much is the shirt? So number 6, how much is the shirt? Okay, how much is the shirt? Number 7, space there any pepper or is do. Here we have pepper. Pepper is uncountable. So we can ask or we can use is. Is there any pepper? So the answer is there any pepper? Is there any pepper? Number 8, there space some mushrooms. Is, do, are. There space some mushrooms. Here we have mushroom and the plural of mushroom, mushrooms. So it's a plural. And we use there are with the plural nouns. There are some mushrooms. Okay. Number 9. What space some strawberry ice cream? Okay, about, book, boat. What about some strawberry ice cream? So I have to use what about. And as you know, after what about we have verb plus ing or noun. What about playing? What about eating? What about having? Okay, what about some strawberry ice cream? Number 10. That sounds space. Bad, good, ball. Okay, it's an expression. You have to keep it up. Number 10 again. That sounds. Okay, that sounds good. Number 10. That sounds good. Let's move to question number 2. Read and write. True, T, or false, F. First, look at the picture. Take your time. Okay, let's read the first question. Number 1, they are in the kitchen. They are in the kitchen. Yes, they are in the kitchen. So it will be true. Write down T. Okay, number 1, true. They are in the kitchen. True. Number 2, there is milk. Okay, can you see milk? Yes, here we have milk. Okay, so it will be true. There is milk, true. Okay. Number 3, there is hot sauce. There is hot sauce. Number 3, there is hot sauce. Okay, hot sauce. There is no hot sauce. So it will be false. Write down F. Okay. Number three, false. If. Write down if. Number four, the girl is eating. The girl is eating. No, the girl is not eating here. So it will be false. Okay, number four, the girl is eating. False. Thanks for listening and see you next time.